In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master webhooks in N8n, taking you from basic setups to advanced techniques. Whether you are completely new to webhooks or you've dabbled a bit, but want to take your skills to the next level, this guide is designed for you. To start, you'll want to head over to the N8n platform. It's an intuitive, flexible tool that simplifies automation tasks. Once you're on the N8n website, click on the Sign In button. If you don't already have an account, I recommend creating one. It's quick, and it's definitely worth it for all the features N8n has to offer. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard. This is your central hub, where all your automation magic happens. Next, we need to create a new workflow. This is where we'll set up the structure for our webhook operations. To do this, look for the Create Workflow button and give it a click. This will take you to a blank workflow canvas, setting the stage for our automation journey. On this blank canvas, click on the Add Nodes button. Nodes are the building blocks of your workflows. They represent individual tasks or functions, and each one does something specific. For this tutorial, we're focusing on webhooks, so go ahead and search for the webhooks node in the search bar. Once you find it, drag it onto your canvas. The webhooks node is crucial because it allows you to receive data from external sources into your N8n workflow, which can then trigger various actions based on your needs. After adding the webhooks node, a little configuration is required. The first thing we need to do is set the HTTP method to post. This setting is important because a post request is typically used to submit data to an endpoint. By setting this method, you're essentially telling your webhook to accept incoming data sent from other services, which is the first step in integrating different applications into your workflow. Once your webhook node is set up with the post method, you can start customizing it with specific actions that suit your needs, such as fetching data from different apps and triggering their respective operations. N8n offers a plethora of possibilities, so feel free to explore different nodes and see which ones align with your goals. To wrap things up, remember to test your webhook setup. Testing is key to ensuring everything works smoothly, and it helps you catch any issues early on. As you become more comfortable with N8n, you'll find that webhooks are a powerful tool in your automation toolbox, enabling you to enhance your processes with efficiency and creativity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on mastering webhooks in N8n. Be sure to like and subscribe for more guides on leveraging automation in your projects.